All right, this might get a little in-depth, but in a nutshell, I got everything fixed and put back together again. And the problem, if you don't want to watch this video, was that guy right there. What I got off of eBay from a guy in New Jersey. That thing is freaking noisy. It's got a bad channel. And don't even get me started. It could probably be serviced and cleaned, but I don't think I'm even going to deal with it. So I put my original one back in, and it's clean as all get out. The problem I was having was baseline noise. You know that hum and buzz? Like right now, I have the CD player on pause, and there should be no noise. And you turn up the volume, and I was getting like a grounding fault. So what I had to do, being me, get right into the nitty gritty of stuff, is I ripped out the left. It was coming out of the left or the right channel right here. And I always thought, it was never really that strong. I was like, what's going on here? It played all right, but I got into some really deep troubleshooting. It was just like no bass. There was a hum. So that grounding fault loop, whatever it was sucking all the low out. So I said, well, it's probably a bad amplifier. So I swapped out, this is the amplifier that was in there, and I had a spare one. Swapped that one, new one in there, and same damn problem. I said, okay. So I swapped the left and right cable around, and the problem moved. I was saying, okay, so it's not phantom here. So I went with cables, did some swaptronics on cables, same damn thing. I was like, okay, it's either that or that. So I bypassed the spec Annie here, no change. Swap this out, and bam! My noise floor is dead quiet now, and it works. So that's going in the frickin' trash, or I don't know if it's even worth selling, but it's not up for frickin' prime time. So let's just turn the music back on here. She slaps now. Both channels are working beautifully. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps out the next person troubleshooting, because you can scratch your head. I was thinking about putting a all new ground fault isolation stuff in here, and don't really need it. It's pretty clean signal, AC power coming in. So there you have it. All right, have fun with your hobbies. And we'll see you next time.